In this video, I will show you how you can block Roblox on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Under the Screen Time settings, just tap on App Limits, and from here, just tap on Add Limit. Now in the search bar, just search the name of the app which you want to add a limit on. In our case, it is Roblox, so I will select Roblox, then tap on Next. Now from here, just set the time limit to 1 minute. Then just tap on Done. And basically by doing this, you will block Roblox and it will only be available for use for only 1 minute. Now this was the first method. For the second method, just go back and under the screen time settings, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now just make sure you enable Content and Privacy Restrictions. And after that, just tap on iTunes and App Store purchases and select Installing Apps. Now if you have not installed Roblox yet on your iPad, just select Don't Allow. And by doing this, you will restrict downloading any app on your iPad, including Roblox. Now for the third method, just go back and under the Content and Privacy Restrictions, just tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. From here, just tap on Apps. Now in front of Age Rating, just set the age rating to 4. Now after you do that, all the apps on your iPad which are rated for children at the age of 5 or more will be disabled. As you can see, these apps include Roblox. Now if I go to the home screen and if I try to open Roblox, as you can see it is disabled. Now this was how you can disable Roblox as an app. Now if you want to block the web version of Roblox, if there is any, then just go back to Settings. And under Settings, just tap on Screen Time. And under the Screen Time settings, just go back to Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, just tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then under Web Content, just tap on Web Content. Now instead of Unrestricted, just select Limit Adult Website. And under Never Allow, just tap on Add Website. Now just copy and paste the URL of the website which you want to ban and paste it over here. After you do that, then just tap on Done, and the selected website will be listed to the website that will not be allowed. And this is how you can block Roblox on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.